If you've forgotten your password for Bank OZK, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Bank OZK website. Go to the official Bank OZK website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use OZK to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Bank OZK. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Bank OZK account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.